After setting a destination, touch Start to begin route guidance. The system provides voice guidance in addition to real-time mapping on the center display screen to help you navigate to your destination. When you are approaching an intersection, the map screen switches to a split view that shows an enlarged map of the intersection on the left. A similar split screen appears when the vehicle is about 1 mile from a freeway junction on the route. In either case, pressing the map button will return the view to the single map display. If you press and hold the map button on the control panel, the voice guidance will be repeated. When a route is active, the launch bar will display a menu where you can touch Cancel to cancel your current route, touch Route to view the route menu, touch Destination to display the destination menu, or adjust the zoom of your current view using these keys. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.